Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to do a clean installation of GeForce RTX 407 graphics driver on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Now for this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Nvidia website. Now over here, for product type select GeForce. For product series select GeForce 40 series notebook. Now this is for laptop and this is for desktop. So if you have a laptop, select RTX 40 series notebooks and then you select the GeForce RTX 4070 laptop GPU. And if you have Windows 11, select Windows 11. If you have Windows 10, select Windows 10. So I have Windows 10, so I'll select Windows 10 and this will be game ready driver, and then click on search. And the latest driver right now is 536.99. It may change, whichever is the latest, it will show you that the latest update over here, and you have to click on download and download the file. Now if you want to install this driver on your desktop, then over here you have to select GeForce RTX 40 series, and then over here you have to select Nvidia GeForce RTX 4070. Now for the laptop, this is the option. For desktop, this is the option. And then select the right operating system and then click on search and then click on download and click on download once again. And once the download is complete, you have to run this exe file. Now over here, the download is complete. You have to run this exe file. Click on this file, and once you click on this file, in few seconds it will give you an option whether you want to allow this application to make changes. Click on yes to allow. Now once you click on yes to allow, it will tell you to click on OK. Click on OK and let the process complete. Now on this screen, click on agree and continue, and then put a check on custom. By default express would be selected. You have to select custom. So put a check on custom and then click on next, and then put a check on the box which says perform a clean installation. Make sure that you put a check over here, put a tick mark over here, put a check, and then click on next, and then it will start installing it will start the clean installation of the driver. So first of all, it will uninstall the previous version, and then it will install the latest version, and that will be a clean installation. So uninstalling the previous version and installing the latest one is actually the clean installation. So here you can see preparing for install, and it will show you that it will go ahead and uninstall the previous version. So just wait for a few seconds or maybe a minute. So over here you can see removing previous version, removing shadow play. So it will remove the previous version and then it will install the latest version, and this will be a clean installation. After this, once the process is complete, then restart your computer. Make sure that you restart your computer after this, and this is how you can do a clean installation of your graphics driver. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.